Hi friends, my name is Gracie. I'm the Parent Star Specialist here at the Children's Museum Houston, and today is my unbirthday. What's an unbirthday, you may ask? It's any day that isn't your birthday. And today I'm here with my friend to celebrate our unbirthdays by making this paper bag piñata. Let me show you how. Alright guys, so to make our paper bag piñatas, we are going to need some streamers, a paper bag, scissors, yarn, a hole puncher, and a glue stick. So first, I'm gonna grab these three things, put them to the side. For right now, we will just need this. Oh, forgot about the scissors. Come back. There we go. So we're gonna grab our streamers and we're gonna make some cuts. But don't cut all the way. Just cut and stop right before the end and repeat until you've reached the end and you have some pretty fringe. Next, you're gonna line this up towards the bottom of your paper bag. You're gonna grab your glue stick, unstick it, and you're gonna gently, so you don't rip it, put some glue and glue it on your paper bag. Don't worry about these extras hanging around. We are gonna glue them to the side in a moment. Until then, we are gonna repeat with the rest of the streamers. When you're all done with the front, you can gently grab your bag and open it up. And you're gonna see the extra that you can glue on the sides. So how I'm gonna do it, or the easiest way I found to do it, I'm just gonna put glue on the sides carefully and then just glue the sides. And there you have half the piñata. So next, we're just gonna repeat the step on this side, except we are gonna cut the excess off because we don't need it. So you can just see until what edge do you need it, cut off the rest and start gluing. Once you have your piñata all wrapped up in streamers, you grab your hole puncher, carefully hole punch one hole on each side. Next, you're going to grab some string, grab the desired length, cut it off, and you tie it to each end. Alright guys, so the final step, grab your candy, put it in your bag, and hang it up and have fun. What do you think? Yeah, I liked it too. Let us know what you guys think on our social media, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. My name is Gracie and I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye!